Let's take a look at those big numbers right now. Remember, obviously, as Dave said, it's like 11:16 at night. So, yeah, we should be a little bit cooler, but we have some rain-cooled air here, and that's the reason why we're in the 70s. But look at all the 80s in Minnesota right now, 83 in South Dakota, Pierre, 89 in Billings, 91 in Salt Lake City. Yeah, still very, very warm. The major heat wave for the next couple of days is going to be in this area right in here. All right, over the northern plains and eastern parts of Montana. Obviously still hot out in the desert southwest. We've had some rain to help cool us off. That's good news. We still have some light rain to help cool us off. And obviously this is not normal for us, but we have that little bit of system up to our north, and I'll show you that coming up. But that's helping spark a couple of these light showers. They're falling apart. And so most of this will fall apart as we move through the next couple of hours. But yeah, light little showers through southern Pinellas, now crossing the Skyway Bridge. There's Egmont Key. Anna Maria Island, it's right there on the tip of the island. I do think it does move a little bit further to the south and give you at least a sprinkle there. Heavier rainfall, in fact, good thunderstorms in Highlands and southeastern Polk County earlier have given way to just some light rainfall. Look at all the white here. Quite a few clouds still around. We do not get rid of all of those. There's a launch tomorrow morning at 5:10 in the morning. SpaceX launched and putting up some Starlink's website satellites. You know how you can see the jellyfish look as it's moving up into the sky? That's a possibility tomorrow, but we've got quite a few clouds. I just don't think we're going to have a really good chance at seeing it. This is late tonight into early tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m. Still a sprinkle around or two. I think that's overdone, but I definitely think we could have a sprinkle in the morning. But quite a few clouds around, some sunshine getting through in some spots. Then I think by mid-morning, lunchtime, we'll see a better chance for some sunshine. But that'll heat us up and start popping up one or two showers by 12 to 12:30. And then here we go. This is around 3:30 to 4 o'clock. You see some of the bigger storms starting to get going, a couple offshore, and these will push on shore as we move through the afternoon hours. Again, the best chance for strong storms is Polk, Hardy, DeSoto, Highlands, and the east coast of Florida. This is really kind of similar to what we saw out there for today, so I don't expect a big difference between today and tomorrow. We've had some Saharan dust. You may not even notice it because we had quite a few clouds around today, but certainly hazy. And any sunshine you see around late morning, lunchtime tomorrow is definitely going to be very hazy with that dust out there. That does affect the air quality a little bit. So if you have breathing issues, you may want to stay inside because that's going to be thick tomorrow. It gets better on Wednesday and even better, kind of thins out more on Thursday. Rain chances, they're actually going down. We went 30% for tomorrow, but only about 10% on Wednesday. I know you see a lot of green here. I think that's late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. But then 20% on Thursday, and then Friday, starting to come back. I think Saturday and Sunday, we actually are going to be bringing back those rain chances. I don't think we get much of a tropical development, although we're going to be watching this because some of the models are really looking at it. But I think eventually we're going to get some rain to develop out here, especially late Saturday, but Sunday and Monday. And that's just going to start feeding some moisture our way. That's Sunday at 2 o'clock right there. You see Monday as well. What you don't see are these white lines, a bunch of them. You don't see a big circle, a big tropical low pressure moving away. You don't see that yet. I know you've seen it on the internet because the models yesterday were suggesting that. But today the models have really come down. They're backing off of that, but it's still time to watch it. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. There's your 7-day forecast. Keep in mind, mid-90s. Wednesday and Thursday will be our hottest days this week. With the extra clouds and the slightly better rain chance by the weekend, our temperatures come down just a bit.